LION does have a long history in the uniform business. My great-grandfather, William, started when he was peddling men's work clothing to farmers in the Dayton, Ohio area back in 1898. So we've been making uniforms up until 2004 when we sold that legacy uniform business. So it was ironic and somewhat surprising that in 2021, the co-owner of Elbeco called us on the phone and said, "I think your company is a great match for our company." So it feels really great to be coming full circle around to the uniform business.
LION and Elbeco have come together to form a very powerful brand that we are now naming LION Uniforms. LION Uniforms consist of two great brands. Number one, LION. LION has a history of manufacturing and producing certified garments, primarily used in a technical environment. Elbeco offers non-certified garments, outerwear, Class A uniforms, dress uniforms, Class B uniforms, polos, just a terrific complete lineup that meets most all of the needs for law enforcement. The Elbeco heritage was so similar to the LION heritage of sitting with customers, listening to customers, not trying to sell customers product, but trying to learn from those customers, taking that information back and developing products that truly meet the needs of our customers.
We take a very collaborative approach in our research and development and also our product development process. Comfort is really critical in designing uniforms. Whether a first responder is on the street or in the station or engaging in a tactical response, we need that uniform to work with them and not against them. And we need them to be able to focus on what they're responding to and not have to worry about what they're wearing.
That is what's important to us here at LION, and that's what we spend all day, every day trying to do. Make sure that our customers who are protecting all of us and have committed to serving all of us, that we do the same for them.
LION's vision is to be the complete uniform resource for first responders. And when I mean first responders, I mean fire personnel, law enforcement personnel, EMS, and other public safety personnel.
We're a fourth-generation family company who really cares about their customers, and we want our customers to feel that every day when they get up and get dressed and put on their uniform to go out and serve their communities.
This is our foundation and this is our heritage. It's our legacy, and we are so very happy to be back.